Hi, good afternoon. Thanks for inviting me to the request video program. Something in your eyes forever my here is the one and only.
There was a certain place that feels 1,000 miles.
Oh, the sweetest dream and promise of paradise. But that place was
When
gone.
the dawn had come still, yeah, I still could feel waiting just up his way.
I surely know your place. Where love who past it
And
here.
when I could last its curve my feet, knew it well. Now alas, you're here and I can take
Something in your eye I see is all I ever wanted.
this mountain is calling out my name. Your eyes that see mirrors on
My dream is way I can explain, and my heart will never be the same.
when there was someone as if we'd always known the truth.
Bittersweet of waiting where we're not alone. Now we're close
The
enough.
times of love to find fantasies desire, but they never really could.
Begin to measure you, nor the picture ever grew. And as I watch your frame in sunlight,
I know what my life's been leading to.
something in your eye I see is all I ever wanted.
In this mountain is calling out my name. Your eyes, it seems, are mirrors.
My dream in a way I can explain, and my heart will never be the same.
Something in your eyes I've seen in all I ever wanted.
Something in your smile for me is calling out my name. Your eyes is saying,
Mirrors on my breathing way I can't explain.
and my heart will never be the same. And my heart will never be the same.